Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mahfuz Bayhaki, but you can call me Eki or Bayhaki. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite hobbies, which is automotive. I've been interested in this hobby for a long time and I've learned a lot from it. From cars to motorcycle, everything about vehicle catches my attention. So how I become interested in automotive? Since I was a child, I've always been interested in vehicle. I used to see cool and fast car on the road, and I was always curious about how they worked. I also enjoy watching racing event, which made me even more interested. From there, I become curious about the engines that made this vehicle too fast. For me, automotive is not just about looking at cool cars or motorcycles, but also about understanding how they work. I like to modify vehicles such as changing engine parts, adding accessories, or changing the appearance of my car or bike. It feels great to change the look or improve the performance of my vehicle. So, benefit of my automotive hobby. For me, the automotive hobby offers many benefits. First, it has made me more patient and careful. When working on a vehicle, you need to pay attention to many things, from the engine to the electronic system. This has helped me become more careful and focused in everything I do. Additionally, the automotive hobby allows me to meet many people with the same interests. I can learn a lot from them, share experience, and expand my network. This hobby has also helped me find job opportunity related to automotive work. I've also learned how important it is to take care of vehicles so that they last longer and stay in great condition. So that's a little bit about my hobby in the automotive world. This hobby is not only fun, but it has also give me many valuable life experience. Automotive has taught me to be more patient, careful, and always eager to learn new things. For me, the automotive world is not just about vehicle, but also about the community and the passion that connect us. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you find a hobby that brings happiness and benefit to your life. See you. Thank you.